Hey, what's up, guys? I know. You guys asking me where am I? No, that's not. The question was where I was with and why I'm posting videos or any stories because I don't have any reason. Anyways, let's start.
Father, where you been at? The devil's got a secured candidate he could pick at. I'm losing the battle that I'm in and that I can say, oh father. Can't find a reason to wanna live, why bother? Used to be the man in this bitch, now I feel like a bitch. Isolated, I grew out of the mix. I don't wanna.
Now I'm using ibis paintex because you can add custom brushes and you got more than 300 brushes for paintings. Not in the sketchbook app, you can limit it only to the brushes here, which is given in there, and it has a pretty decent interface for drawing. Now I'm just starting with the head, tracing the contrast of the head and filling the gaps and tracing the colors for realistic look. Now it's time for the highlights, and I need the highlights a little bit more pop. Filling the gaps was a bit harder and time-taking process. As you can see that I'm started drawing Kong's mouth. The image I got was pixelated and so hard to trace the colors, and it has very more details to draw, and it's been a tough time drawing this mouth. Now you can enjoy the time lapse and I won't disturb you anymore.
Virus.